Good morning, everyone. Today on Murphy's Law Garage, we are working on the Ramcharger. What? Hold on a second. What the heck is going on over here? What?
I've been trapped.
How long have you been here?
10 minutes.
Wow. All right, Seth, since you decided to sleep in the Ramcharger engine bay, apparently.
You know, big motor, not a lot of room.
You're a 440? Are you identifying as a 440 big block?
Me, personally?
Yeah? Okay. Well, guys, it's been a while, so here's the old girl Ramcharger again. Today we're going to try to pull the body off of it and get all the wiring consolidated. You can see she's held up real good over the years. What? David? What?
Why are you knocking on my door, son?
Did you and Seth sleep in my truck? You owe me rent. I mean...
Slept in the front. We were separate the whole time.
So it wasn't, you know, butt to front? No?
He was the big spoon.
Well, all right, guys. We got, what, 3/4 of the team here today. So let's get started. We're going to hopefully get the body off the Ramcharger today. At least, if not, we'll get it really close to coming off, get as many of the bolts loose as we can. But we need to take the Ramcharger and get it up front the shop over there where the diesel truck is. So we're going to roll the diesel truck frame out the way. So the next shot you're going to see is us moving the trucks around. Be right back.
All right, so while y'all push it, I'm going to be on there flexing and doing nothing.
All right, y'all. We got the diesel truck frame moved over here. As you can tell, that was a lot of work. This thing's very heavy. I guess we'll go ahead and move on to getting the Ramcharger in front of the shop.
But didn't you want to maybe get another take of us pushing this thing? What the fuck?
No, Seth. let's move the Ramcharger.
I'm pulling this kick panel off.
Still pulling the kick panel?
Well, I've given up on one of the screws. I'm sorry, not kick panel. What's this called?
Kick panel?
This is a kick panel? Okay.
Master inspector.
Masturbator.
Close enough.
Seth, why don't you get in there?
Get in what?
You're the professional cameraman today.
Hey, professional cameraman. Can you go find me an impact with a Phillips head on?
No, it doesn't exist.
There's no such thing as an impact with a Phillips head.
Yeah, what about JB's drill that he brought and somehow a Phillips head magically appear on it?
Look at the rust.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
A South Louisiana truck with that kind of rust.
Cho neg.
Is there light? There is light. Hit that with a screwdriver a few times. Don't stick it in the hole on purpose.
I'm just letting you know that it's a hole.
Okay.
You see it?
Hit it from the top. Is it gonna go? Is it
Like
got
this?
metal? Hit
Want me
all
to
of
do
that.
this?
Just hit it. Hit it. All of it. It's ruined anyways. Hit it.
Like that?
Well, not right where the hole is.
You just told me to hit it.
Don't stick it in the hole, David. All right. Looks like the really bad part is just right there. Should be able to save the rest of it.
Oh, look all the Black Widow stuff in here. Oh.
Alright, see, now we got rust. I'm just back here taking a strip out. Try to get under that carpet. Hopefully we ain't got no more.
All right, y'all. We need to get this hood off. Ready, Seth? If you want to, either one of us pick one.
Yeah, take mine off first so I can hold it up longer.
You might have to lift the weight off of it so it'll come out.
I was just say, keep beating the fenders.
I'm gonna come beat someone's butt over there. Don't hurt my fenders.
Alright, we're out.
Don't hurt my beautiful old Ramcharger.
Hey, I could lift up and just snap the other one.
No, please don't. That'll be the first thing I do to your Bronco.
Lift the other
Anything you do to this one, I'm gonna do to your Bronco.
one. Oh, so that means I can go ahead and break off the top bolt in the water pump on the 12 valve. Just snap it clean off.
Please don't. Okay.
Are you ready? One. I'm just kidding. That would be funny though.
Whoop-de-woo. Look at the viscosity.
Look what they got on that stick. You like my long stick?
Yes, you have.
That's a Magnum. We spray some carb cleaner in it, turn the key, she gonna fire right up.
Is that what that video was about?
With this,
With not a single spark plug attached to anything, that's right.
I like how this says Lexus on it.
You like that? It's definitely a Lexus.
Alright, David, what are we working on?
We're working on you pulling that grommet out, putting that 1 1/8 socket on that bolt so I could unscrew it from the bottom.
All right, well, let's figure this out.
I got faith in you.
Did you grind me?
Y'all are on camera. Hi.
Oh, hello. Are we on like regular time?
Yep. So y'all about to leave?
Yeah.
Body mounts are out.
Get in front of the camera. People might be able to see you.
Body mounts are out. There's something going on with the fuel sending unit that my fingers are too small to get.
Yeah, so
And JB doesn't have a wrench man enough to drop it.
yeah, so we've got the wiring harness that's not separated coming out the firewall right here. That goes to the back to run the fuel pump and the speed sensor and the tail lights. So it needs to get pulled through the frame all the way back to the front of the truck, and the damn sending unit on top of the tank. You can't just reach up there and grab it. We're gonna have to drop the tank, and of course the tank is absolutely full of ancient fuel. So that's something we got to work on. But these two guys, they got to take off, so I'm probably going to leave that alone. I might drop the tank a little bit and just get that unclipped so I can get it out the way. But I've got plenty of this stuff on the front of the truck to pull off, and they got all of the body mounts off. So the body's ready to come off, but I don't have their hands to take it off, so I'm not going to try to do it because I might hurt the body. So these guys are going to get going, and we're going to keep going with this. Well, now that David and Seth left, I'm going to leave the wiring harness that's stuck up under the fuel tank alone for now. And really would take two hands to help pull that one down because it's up under the truck. So I'm going to start pulling the front clip apart. I'm going to put you all on time lapse and get this all torn off. Holy cow, these things right here. Well, I've heard the Ramcharger first gen guys say how hard these windshield wiper arms to get off, but geez, these paid the price of me not knowing exactly how to take them apart, but oh well. Now that I have them off, I have a much better idea of the way they should have come off. Yeah, I'll straighten them out and get them back on there. All right, here comes the fender. Wow, that took a lot more work than I thought it would. The windshield wipers, man, that was horrible. Let me go ahead and get a bunch of these bolts returned back to the holes they came out of, and then I'm gonna move on over to the other side. I've gone ahead and pulled all the bolts out of this one, so should be ready to come out too. All right, well, let me get some bolts again back in all the places they came out of so they don't get lost, and we'll move on to the next thing. Whew. Well, that came out a lot easier than expected. So let's go ahead and get these two out. They're just barely hanging in there, seems like by a bolt or two, so let's get them pulled too. All right, everyone, I've got the inner fenders removed. That was very easy, but we're running out of daylight for the day, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up. My parents showed up while I was working on the truck. This is my dad right here. This is my mom right here, Stephen Berg, Melissa Berg. They both run the No Problem Raceway. My dad is the track manager in Belrose, Louisiana. Wanna say hi, Dad?
That's right.
And the shop here that I'm working at, this is my dad's race car shop. And that's the truck, if y'all remember, I changed the turbo on. So thank y'all for letting me make a mess out of your stuff.
Thank you for changing it.
You're welcome. Well, everyone, that's it. Got the Ramcharger behind us over there. And just like David and Seth, I'm heading out for today. Thank y'all very much for subscribing. Y'all hit the like button, hit us up on Facebook, Murphy's Law Garage, YouTube, Instagram, Patreon, TickTok, Murphy's Law Garage. We even have a website now, murphyslawgarage.com. Y'all check us out. But again, heartfelt thank you for watching these videos. And to all my Dodge guys out there, I know y'all getting excited. We should have this body off, hopefully, by the next Ramcharger video. Anyways, y'all have a good one. Peace. Y'all don't think I was gonna leave y'all without a gratuitous acceleration video as well, right? Woohoo! I know, it's slow, but it makes pretty noises.